The Wrap Institute is the world's #1 online wrap training platform with the slogan, "Never Stop Learning." This attitude fuels the Wrap Institute in delivering cutting-edge and up-to-date content. With various levels of learning and support, the Wrap Institute caters to all types of installers, from the true beginner to advanced professionals. The video library at the Wrap Institute consists of over 3,000 professional videos covering a wide range of fields including PPF, color change, commercial vehicles, walls, floors, interior film, window tinting, business tips, production techniques, and even design. In addition to getting unlimited access to the Wrap Institute video library, members can take advantage of these benefits. The Never Stop Learning Lounge is a weekly live session with top trainers like myself, Justin Pate, Reiner Lawrence, Dimas Brasil, and other top trainers. We go deep on a specific topic, so the learning is extra special, and you can ask questions and get answers in real time. TWI members also receive exclusive discounts from manufacturers from all across the world. Every month, 2 to 3 new ones are added. Many of these discounts can be used unlimited times, so your potential savings are up to you. There are free workflow and educational PDFs that you can download to help streamline your business and administration. Additionally, the Wrap Institute offers the Platinum Tool Collection, a set of top-of-the-line tools that work seamlessly together to elevate your wrapping skills to a true professional level. There are monthly and annual memberships to choose from at various levels: silver, gold, and platinum. This allows you to choose the membership that best suits your needs. So join the Wrap Institute today and take your wrap game to the true professional level and beyond. It's the smartest and most affordable investment you can make in your career.